So let's now move these generic file operation functions here into a separate package. For that, I'll start by adding a new Go file. And we could name it file.go or fileops.go for file operations. Now we can go to bank.go and grab these two, cut them, and move them into this new file. Now this file then also must be part of a package, and we could, of course, add it to the main package. With that, we could still use getFloat from file and writeFloat from file in the bank.go file as before. The only thing we'll have to do is add a couple of imports in the fileops.go file, because we need all these packages in here in order to write these files and read the content from a file. That then also means that we can remove these packages from the bank.go file, at least most of them, because we're not using them there anymore. That would work, but the goal, of course, was to add this to a new package, not to the main package. And therefore, we could simply pick a different name here, fileops, for example. But if I try to do that, it breaks. I get an error here. And you can see that the error I get is that I have multiple packages, main and fileops, in the same folder basically. And that's indeed not allowed in Go. Instead, every package must go into its own subfolder in the project. So if I want to have a separate new package here, I also have to add a new folder. And that folder should have the same name as the package. So fileops in this case. This file, by the way, does not need the same name. It could have any name you want. Just as I'm not using main.go here, but some other names with the main package. So therefore here I'll move this fileops.go file into the fileops folder. And with that, the error went away here. So now we can add this to a new standalone package. We'll now just have a problem here in bank.go, because now this function here is not available anymore, because it's now no longer part of the main package. So what can we do to make it available here again?